I've had several people ask me what's involved in removing a interior wall, bedroom, two bedrooms, putting together two bedrooms into one. What's involved in removing a wall? Well, here's a short video to kind of give you a little bit of an idea of what kind of a mess it really is. To remove a wall, this is what you're going to get into. You're going to have to patch some sheetrock on the ceiling and on the wall. And not only that, now you're going to have to patch the flooring, which that's a major undertaking except for the professionals. And then you have to remove all the insulation in the area where you're going to be working. Then you got to move the jacks that are holding up the roof, and the headers have to be long enough to go from the edge of the house over to the center of the house. Then while you're up here, you go ahead and put in a couple of strong backs. Runs from this one, ties into all of your 2x4 rafters if that's what you've got, and they too will run all the way to the edge of the house and tie into the header the ceiling header you just put in. Same way the other way. You got to cut a hole in the ceiling, get your rafters up, or your headers up in there. And it's the same thing over here where they've opened up the kitchen. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Look to see if there's any wires in the way. We got one wire in the way, but let me see what it is. Okay, go ahead. Coming up. That big one, the grande.
What is it? Ah, good. Oh, good.
See. Okay. All these wires. We might need your amigo. Go back that way.
Where? This way?
Whoa. Okay, now flip it. Whoop.
Arriba.